Where? With that quality of work? Don't you even feel you are letting us down, surely? So where is your leveling machine?
We have a survey on site.
Where? I'm on site. I am on? I'm not in the office. I am on? Excavation is ongoing.
There's nobody.
There's no one.
We have a survey.
Where? I'll give you 5 minutes to bring him. I'm here. Have you seen a surveyor somewhere? Maybe I put on spectacles. I'm blind. You see, that's why I come for these things. Because our engineers, some of them, sijui. And this thing is supposed to last you for 30 years, 40 years, 50 years. Ukiweka weakness hii.
Inaanza leakage.
Surveyor amepotea. Where is your surveyor? Twende Kithimani.
We also want to transfer that knowledge to our local people. Remember how much the people are learning mambo ya planning.
My problem here is, what is the size of the bucket that he's using to excavate?
The size
of that bucket?
It's around 900 meters.
The bucket is 900 meters.
0.9 meters.
Fun.
Yes.
There is something you need to invest in.
Yes.
Zongmei, my friends.
Yes.
This pipe laying, you need a surveyor on site all the time. So you are one man. He is working on 5 stations. He is at the treatment plant. He is excavating there. I see he is excavating alone, correct? Maybe he is doing an intake somewhere. And because right now you have not brought a consultant on board, your agency, CEO, is leaned out. How do we guarantee quality? Because this is not right bedding. Number 2, that is a rock on top of a pipe. What does specs say? Let us now start specifications. What does it say? No, you tell me. What do specifications say? Because I told you to take me through it like a kid. Maybe yourself. So what is this on? Look at that. What is this maram? And this is pipe, correct? What is this? That's why I asked you what is wrong with this thing.
Stone.
What is it doing on top of a pipe?
That one then they remove before they backfill.
But it is backfilled, engineer. No. Wacha tuseme hiyo ni makosa. Si ni kweli? What is this? What is that? Do you know the levels of backfilling in specifications? Oh, I'm willing to open specifications. What does it say?
From we put twice the diameter.
No, specs don't say that. Engineer, please. Mimi, and let me be honest, and that's why I come to site, guys. If you know I'm coming to your site, just do the right thing. That machine move with this kind of boulders. You see these boulders cannot backfill that pipe, the first layer.
That's why you need the human element.
It cannot. Are we together? Naporos, get hold of your team. That machine cannot backfill this pipe for the first layer, especially Toka, on that terrain. Look at that terrain. Hiyo mawe. Can that machine sieve? Ijue hii ni mchanga, hii ni mawe.
Number 1, number we have told you.
Can it?
I'm going to benefit from.
Unaona hii? Hizi ndio zinafaa kuwa juu, sio karibu na mfereji. So hii lazima kwanza ibackfilliwe na kitu that inaweza kwanza inaweka mchanga juu ya pipe. So that when you lay the pipe, it has a cover kama mattress ya mchanga juu ya soft landing. So mawes can do that. But if this block inafinya hii mfereji na itoboa,
there's a lot of gap.
Number 2, there's something called bedding. You have not done bedding here. Ndio maana mlikuwa mnanikimbiza huko. Pan. Yes. Engineers. Songmei. My friends, look at your specifications.
Yeah.
Please, the moment you lay this bolt on this pipe, you are an engineer yourself. I know that because you are an engineer. Give us the quality of work that we deserve. Didu, iyote.
And you see, he's saying that he's spoken the home about using the machine. Because if you want to do that, the immediate player, but
Mheshimiwa.
if you use the machine,
Mheshimiwa.
the way the CS is saying,
No, machine is okay. But the problem is the bedding, and the first layer of cover to avoid boulders laying on the pipe. Look at this. This is a very serious thing, a heavy thing. The moment it dents that pipe, you have a constriction forever. It becomes a weak point for this thing to perform. Our people. And this is a supervision problem. So they will agree. Kama ni mwananchi anafunika kwanza the first layer.
You can instruct a human being.
20. You cannot instruct a machine.
Machine huwezi ambia punguza. Then this guy.
Let us go. Let me see.
What
Mbele.
he just bring it through and then repeat it.
You are telling me you have engineers. Which engineers? They are telling me they have engineers. Which engineers? Huh?
Vile umesema kama watu kwa
Sasa jamaa kwa account kutoka hapa. Riding on credit. Hii ni kazi ya Dr. Samuel William Ruto. And I have to get it right myself. I have to get it right. I owe that to Kenyans. So that's why I'm worried. Hizi blocks kama mfereji iko chini. Are you sure? Block iko juu ya mfereji.
itakuwa
Mtaanza leakage and even water becomes a problem.
kama jamaa za hiyo wako China.
Wako China wanakula mali.
Washatuachilia hapa.
I'm sure even if I audit yours hata utakimbia. Ona hiyo block sasa iko juu ya nini?
Hizi
I want to see where he's actually covering. That's why I'm coming here. Why do you think I'm coming here? Case and point. Case and point. Why is that engineer of mine who was giving me stories? What is that?
We'll rectify waziri.
What is that? Hiyo mfereji da mahali nalala. Ifai kulala kwa directly kwa mawe. Let me go and see there. Pole mheshimiwa, hujazoea kazi ya ground. I apologize. Mimi ni mtu wa hiki kiwanja. I am apologizing to mheshimiwa. Hii mtu kuja akiwa amejipanga kaa huko. Acha mimi nipitie hapo. You see there? That is a problem. That rock can
inaweza ngoka. Unajua ikipia through maji na leak.
Hii inaweza finya. That's a problem. Hiyo ifai kulala kwa exact kwa mawe, inafai kulala kwa bedding. That's why I'm asking engineer what is bedding. Ni kama hata yeye ajui. Hiyo depth inafika 1.2 kweli? Meters depth. Oh, this pipe is shallow. This pipe is shallow. This pipe is shallow. On some sections inatosha. Some sections.
But if mtu wetu anafaa kuwa anaenda one on one.
There are supposed to be a guy on that line all the time. Hey, is it only here? Mawe ni mingi? No, but when he's squatting, he's supposed to know that. You are giving. Which side are you on?
No, I'm on the glass side.
I'm worried about you, my friend. Same problem. Rocks on your pipe. So, how is bedding done here? When there is no, where is your leveling machine? Where is your dumping level? Mutiza, Mutindo unaelewa kile anasema? Auelewi kile anasema?
Because there should be a surveyor controlling the.
There is supposed to be a leveler upper taking levels.
The soft material.
Engineer is just in the office, relaxed. Where? Without quality of work? Don't you even feel you are letting us down, surely? So where is your leveling machine?
We have a survey on site.
Where? I'm on site. I am on. I'm not in the office. I am on. Excavation is ongoing.
And there's nobody.
There's no one.
We have a survey.
Where? I'll give you 5 minutes to bring him. I'm here. Have you seen a surveyor somewhere? Maybe I put on spectacles. I'm blind. You see, that's why I come for these things. Because our engineers, some of them, sijui.
Unajua hii kitu inafaa
And this thing is supposed to last you for 30 years, 40 years, 50 years. Ukiweka weakness hii,
inaanza leakage.
surveyor amepotea. Where is your surveyor? Twende Kithimani. Napolos, I told you, use me.
Mzee,